Hello you guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Amanda. I'm sorry for the weird lighting. I'm finishing this and it's a bit late now, but the lighting will be better, I promise. Today we are doing day 9 of the NYX Lippie Countdown, the Love Lust Disco series here on my channel. I started this 2 years ago on my channel. I'm doing a different makeup look every single day up until Christmas. If you guys want more of an explanation, be sure to go and check out, especially my first video. I kind of give you guys the whole lowdown on that. If you guys are not subscribed already, be sure to click that subscribe button down below and turn on the notification bell, and go ahead and follow me on Instagram as well. And without further ado, we're just gonna go ahead and get straight into this video. I achieved it. I just looked like that Instagram filter for a second. Hello, welcome to day 9. You guys are getting tons of content today, 3 videos. Day 8 and day 9 are going up today on my channel. If you guys missed that, day up is up already. Go check it out. Along with the Mandy's Monthly Music Monday on my IGTV. If you guys are new to that series, I started it last month. I'm going through all of my favorite music of the month. I posted at the end of the month. This one's up a little bit late, and I want some feedback on that. So go check it out if you guys have not already. Just had to make sure I didn't have a final today that I missed really quick. Okay. Today, we're gonna go into day 9. Today we have this Today we have this NYX matte lipstick in the color Natural. Ooh. So today we have this nice pink lip color. It is, I feel like, very close to my natural pink color, just adding a little bit of like extra pink. So we like. I'm really sorry if I'm like talking weird and like not as entertaining in this video, because my jaw is really hurting me. If you guys don't know, I have like this jaw disorder and dysfunction, whatever, I don't even know. It's like really bothering me right now. I'm gonna take some Advil. I'm gonna try and stop complaining now. So, let's see, what kind of look are we feeling for today? I found this really cool eye look. And I'm probably not gonna be able to do it, but like I kinda wanna try it, so I think we're gonna try it. This is by Brickell, I believe. I'm finding this on Pinterest. Okay, what is going on? Ah! Okay, I'm done. She did this eye look, and I feel like it might be cool. So, we're gonna try. So basically, ooh, okay. I think we're gonna be using the James Charles palette because I feel like that has all the colors that I need. So, I'm gonna start by going in with Punch Me. I'll be using this as my transition shade. I'm really sorry, my jaw really hurts. If I can find a clean brush. Going in with my Sigma E38 diffused crease brush. Ooh. Why does my contour look so bad right there? We're gonna ignore it. It's not there. It's not there. Now she kind of does a half cut crease. I'm gonna watch the tutorial and then I'm gonna try and do it, okay? We'll be right back. No one wants to show me how to do it. So there's this like concealer in the Alter Ego Daydream palette. Maybe I'm gonna try and use that because maybe it's like a thicker consistency. I think I need to use a smaller brush. I think that's what someone commented on my video and said. Okay, I'm gonna get a smaller one. I forgot about that. Guys, that wasn't as bad as I thought it was gonna be. My shorts! Okay, I'm done. Okay, I just need to fix this one because I went a little bit over. I think she brought it a little bit further than halfway, so I'm gonna do the same. Gonna go back into the James Charles palette, and I am going to be, do I want to use white? I guess she did kind of use white. Okay, I'm gonna be going into the white. I'm gonna take it on that first brush that I was gonna use to cut my crease with, and then it was too big. Okay, it's a work in progress, but I think it's better than last time. Oh, she also brings this down into her inner corner. Okay, so... I'm gonna go in with a different brush into the white. I feel like that one is just, oh, this has, I know this is a weird choice of brush. I need to clean my brushes so badly. In this outer part, is this the brush I was using? I don't know, I hope so. not going near the line. First, I'm gonna go in with this brightest pink, and then I'm gonna follow it by this pinky color. I'm kind of just, oh my gosh, I'm kind of just going back and touching up the cut crease because she's messy. I thought this was gonna go well. Guys, did you think this was gonna go well for once? I did, and now I'm let down. Okay, you know what usually seems to help? Putting on lashes and coming back and seeing what needs to happen, okay? Yeah, we're gonna do that. See, I didn't realize how little, the cut creases are when I close my eyes. Because when my eyes are open, I'm like, oh, it's good, it's enough. And then I close my eyes all the way and I see it and I'm like, no. Okay, so we're just gonna pretend that we're gonna give me this one, okay? All right. So this is going to be the final look for day 9. I don't really know how I kind of fixed it. I really couldn't tell you. It's not perfect. My eyelashes keep sticking to my bottom lash line. But it's definitely an improvement in my opinion anyway. So we're gonna stick with it. We're not gonna ask questions. It's not exactly the eye look that I was planning on doing like compared to the picture, but basically the main idea. So thank you guys so much for watching this. If you enjoyed it, be sure to give it a big thumbs up for me. I'm sorry the lighting's getting kind of weird. It's getting late. I've been filming all day when I should have been studying for my finals, but it's fine. We're fine. Everything's fine. If you guys are not subscribed already, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below. Turn on that notification bell so you don't miss when I post a video. Also, be sure to go ahead and follow me on Instagram and check out today's Mandy's Monthly Music Monday. Monthly Music Mondays with Mandy, whatever it is, I don't even know. Yeah! Also, head on over, join my Facebook group, and follow me on Twitter as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys endlessly. Until tomorrow, stay blessed, and don't forget to live lovely. Bye!